The British government has recently initiated legal proceedings against Prince Harry, alleging misrepresentation during discussions with a First Nations chief. Before delving into the specifics of the case, let us provide some context. Prince Harry, the Duke of Sussex, has been actively involved in advocating for social justice causes in recent years, including raising awareness about issues faced by indigenous communities. Last month, Prince Harry visited a First Nations reserve in Canada and engaged in discussions with Chief Thundercloud, a prominent leader of the community. The purpose of these talks was to explore opportunities for collaboration and support for the challenges faced by First Nations people. While Prince Harry's commitment to the cause garnered praise from many, the situation took an unexpected turn when the British government decided to take legal action against him. The government alleges that Prince Harry misrepresented himself during the talks and made commitments on behalf of the government without proper authorization. Sources close to the case suggest that the British government believes Prince Harry's actions have undermined diplomatic efforts and jeopardized bilateral relations with the First Nations community. The lawsuit seeks financial compensation and a public apology from Prince Harry for his alleged misconduct. To shed light on this legal matter, we reached out to legal expert Professor Jane Thompson. According to Professor Thompson, the British government argues that as a member of the royal family, Prince Harry does not have the authority to make commitments on behalf of the government without proper clearance. The crux of the issue lies in determining whether Prince Harry overstepped his boundaries or genuinely acted in the best interest of the First Nations community. We attempted to gather comments from representatives on both sides, but they declined to provide an official statement at this time. As the legal battle unfolds, many are left pondering the potential ramifications of this lawsuit. If the British government's claims are substantiated, it could establish a precedent for how members of the royal family engage in diplomatic discussions and represent governmental interests. On the opposing side, supporters of Prince Harry argue that his intentions were genuine and his efforts should be lauded rather than condemned. They view the lawsuit as an attempt to hinder his advocacy work and maintain strict control over the royal family's involvement in diplomatic affairs. Amidst the legal proceedings, it is imperative to keep the focus on the underlying issues faced by indigenous communities. Prince Harry's visit garnered significant attention, shedding light on their struggles and the need for positive change. Recalling Harry's meeting with the Chief Gary Whitman of the Hewitt First Nations on East Vancouver Island, it is revealed that he introduced himself as representing the monarchy in an official capacity, despite relinquishing royal duties in 2020. Whitman later disclosed feeling misled by Harry, who allegedly claimed the king had sent him on a secret diplomatic mission. This revelation sparked outrage among government ministers, who perceived it as a deliberate bypassing of standard protocol for overseas engagements by a senior royal. In response to these allegations, High Court papers have been filed, arguing that Harry abused privileges of his former position throughout deceitful conduct harmful to British interests. If successful, this legal action could establish a precedent prohibiting exiled royals from purposely misleading for personal agendas at the expense of taxpayer funds.